Hi everyone, welcome back to Can of Coffee. Here we have an Alex espresso machine, and this machine was also brought in because it was leaking. We found a leak from I think 3 different places. One was underneath the machine with an overpressure valve right there, and there's a T connector, and then also from the hot water wand where we replaced the gasket, and also from here at the handle of the E61. So we also performed an overhaul, replacing all of the internal parts and the gaskets and lubing everything up and making sure it runs smoothly. And here it is, not leaking and working once again, and we're going to test it. Pulling the shot. Mentioned before in the last video, could probably tighten up the grind. We have it set for a Pasquini right now, but the E61 requires a little finer grind. Alright, good discharge there. Alright, now let's see. Test the steam. Switch hands. Nice, good, powerful steam. Alright, do some hot water. Good. Alright, there it is. And you can hear the pump activating, filling the boiler. Everything's working as it should. Thanks for tuning in to Can of Coffee, and please like our videos.